Alright, now let's talk about the next command in Unix or Linux based system, which is cp. So if I want to see the short of cp, as you can see, copy files or directories. So the cp command is used to copy, as the name suggests, cp or copy. So let's create quickly, and currently I don't have anything, so let's create quickly a file. Let's say hi.txt and txt, and here I have one file, and let's say I want to copy this to something else. So let's create a dir which is hi, and let's copy the hi to that directory. So if I type cp, the source file or directory name, and then the destination directory name. So if I hit enter, if I ls, it exists right here. And now if I ls the hi directory, as you can see, it exists right here as well. So it copies this from source to destination, from current folder to hi directory or folder. So that's how you can copy files. Now let's say you want to move or copy directories. So let's create another directory, hello dot hello directory. So currently we have three directories. Now inside the hi we are already have uh, hi.txt. Let's say I want to copy hi and to hello. So I will type cp hi and hello. So if I hit enter, as you can see, omitting directory hi, it says you have to use take out for recursive. So it only copies. Now I can if I type ls the hello, it has nothing. And if I type ls hi, it has one file. So I can copy hello to hi, but hi I can't copy hi to hello because it has files. So for that we will need to use take or for recursive copying. So let's copy hello to hi, and then we will create another directory. So if I type cp hello and I want to copy this to hi and hit enter, it says omitting directory. Seems there is something in hello, so maybe that's why that is not copying that directory. So if I clear the screen, let's use tag or for recursive copying all directories. So if I type ls, here we have hi, which contains hi.txt file. So if I type cp tag or for recursive or recursive directories, and if the source is hi and the destination is hello, so type hello and hit enter. Now if I type the content of the hello directory, here we have the hi directory which contains the hi.txt file. If I type this, as you can see, hi.txt is now inside hello, hi and hi.txt. So that's how you can recursively copy or copy files or directories from source to destination.